Good evening. Good evening, my friends and Miss. Today I want to presentation about how to reduce air pollution. Okay, next slide, please. First, plant trees. Trees can help reduce the concentrations of carbon dioxide or CO2 in the air. Second, reducing the use of motor vehicle. So we use public transportation, example bus and train. Number three, don't burn trash. If we burn trash, the smoke makes air pollution. So we can recycle the trash into the useful item like pencil case from bottle. Okay guys, any question?
Okay. Any question, guys? Nah. Okay. Orlando, I would like to give you an input. Okay. You start with a good opening by greeting your audience. Good evening, friends and miss. Tonight or today, I would like to present you. Nah, I'm having a presentation about. Nah, begitu ya. I would like to present you about how to reduce air pollutions. Now, before you begin the first slide, now Orlando, you can ask your friend, okay, everybody, do you know what is air pollution? Nah, gitu ya. Boleh, anak-anak boleh memulai dengan pertanyaan dulu. Jadi sebelum masuk ke materi. Can anybody tell me how to reduce air pollution? Nah, kira-kira gitu ya. Nah, jadi
Okay, Miss.
jadi jangan langsung dibaca. Ini memang membutuhkan effort ya, membutuhkan keberanian. Kadang-kadang kita jadi malu gitu ya. Do I have to ask? Nah, but you have to interact with your audience. Nah, ini sudah bagus loh. The slide is okay, ya. The layout is very nice, ya. And the presentation delivery is very concise, sangat 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 singkat, padat dan jelas. Nah, jadi mengawali presentationnya Orlando say, okay, do you have any idea about how to reduce air pollution? Can you give me the example about how to use the air pollution? For example ya. Nah, atau mungkin kamu boleh gunakan bahasa simpelmu saja. Friends, can you tell me the tips to reduce air pollution? Nah, okay. Tonight I'm going to tell you about the way how to reduce the air pollution. Okay, the first is, nah boleh gunakan body language ya, boleh. The first is we have to plant trees because bla 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 bla. Nah, kira-kira gitu. Good try Orlando. Ya, oke, the slide is good. Nah, jadi nanti kalau misalnya untuk the other explanations itu boleh you tell the audience about the other explanation. Okay, why we have to plant trees? Why? Do you know why? Why? Nah, because trees can help reduce the concentrations of carbon dioxide in the air. Nah, gitu ya, kira-kira gitu. Oke, and then the second, nah itu dia. Ya, oke. Itu saja dari Miss inputnya. Ya, all the best. Thank you so much, Orlando. You are the first. Ya, oke. Thank you, Edo. Good job.
Okay,
Oke,
Miss.
oke. That's from Orlando. Nah, teman-teman yang lain juga bisa ya. Feel free to deliver the presentation. Jangan malu-malu. Ya, oke. Kita belajar di sini. Jadi kalian harus mulai terbiasa. Oke, the second will be from the ladies. Ladies, are you ready? Marsha, maybe? Nah,
Okay.
oke, Marsha. Alright. If you have slides, no problem. You can use your own slide. Ya, nggak apa-apa,
Enggak,
boleh. Oke, Miss juga bantu desain apa? I mean,
tadi
I
saya
share it to you ya. Oke. Alright. Okay, the second presenter of our public speaking practice tonight is from Marsha. Nah, sebenarnya Marsha juga udah pernah public speaking juga praktisnya dengan anak-anak ya, workshop kemarin ya. Nah, this is also a practice of public speaking too, ya. Okay, time is yours, Marsha. Alright.
Okay, good evening, Miss and my friend. Today, on this opportunity, I will present the topic, which is about one habit, is focusing and on what we can control. So, without wasting no more time, let us begin. Digeser, Miss.
Okay.
There is a saying, energy flows where attention goes. Is energy goes to our attention. Where we focus is where our energy is default. It means if we focus our attention on negative, not it,
Yeah. Sorry.
it, it means if we focus on our attention on negative things, then our energy will be drained for those negative things. For example, if we focus on positive things, then our energy will be devoted to those positive things. Well, there will affect the result we will get to. Next slide, Miss. Okay, why do things like this happen? For example, we have planned in such a way, and when something is different, it's immediately chaotic. That's the topic that we will discuss on our occasion today. Next slide, Miss. Okay, remember, our attention determines where our energy goes. In life, we often feel burdened by things that are beyond our control, whether it's the economy, the weather, other people's behavior, things we have planned, or even unexpected even that change our life plans. Next slide, please. According to Epictetus, when we try to control the uncontrollable, uncontrollable, which is everything external, we are in a difficult situation. It means we are constantly frustrated by the action of others when others are not necessarily thinking about us, and we just keep worrying about what will happen and what will not happen. Next slide, Miss. Okay, now let's think. If that's the case, we stop for a moment and ask to ourselves, then what can we do? Next slide, Miss. Okay, mature is when we know that time, result, past, future, weather, opinions, and other people's decisions are things that are out of our control. Next slide, Miss. And the mature is when we know that our mindset, decision, habit, focus, time allocation, emotion, and reaction are within our control. Cultivating inner resilience, it means accepting that not all of life traits are within our control and accepting that some are unpredictable and we can focus on what we can control. As American writer and philosopher Waldo Emerson once said, no one can give you peace but yourself. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation. So the conclusion is let's start normalizing making peace with life because like what I said earlier, so many things happen beyond our control and learn to sincerely accept the situation. Okay, I think that's all, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Marsha. Very good. Okay. I like this quote, yeah. The quote by Ralph Waldo. No one can give you peace but yourself. Nah, okay. Marsha is waiting for your questions, guys. She is expecting for your questions. Okay. Raise her hand on your camera, open your mute, then you can deliver your question to Marsha. Okay. Yeah. Who has question? Evelyn? Marsha is discussing about what is our real focus in life. Nah, we have sometimes things happen beyond our control. Nah, but we have to control the things that we can control. Okay, and focus on what we can control. Like for example, can you give us the situation, Marsha, about the things that we can control and cannot control, so that your audience will have a clear explanation about this?
It's like when we can manage our time, manage your time, or control your emotion. That's the things you can control, Miss.
Okay. The thing that we cannot control, for example.
Like weather, other opinion, or the past, future.
Oh, okay. The things that we cannot control, for example, the future. We cannot control the future. Now, we cannot control how people say about us. Nah, kira-kira begitu ya, Marsha ya? Bener ya? Nah, but something that you cannot control, please do not focus on that. Don't bother to others people talk. Nah, kira-kira begitu ya. Jadi nggak usah diribetin sama kata-kata orang. For example, ih, kamu ini ya, cabi pipinya ya. Misalnya gitu ya. So don't care about that one because you cannot control their mouth ya. Nah, kira-kira begitu. Okay, ayo question please. From Giselle or from Michelle? After Marsha, Michelle M ya. Okay, any question? Orlando? Or Putra maybe? Ya, Michelle S? Michelle S, do you have? Ya, ini kemana teman-temannya ini, audience? Halo? Are you sleeping? Okay. Yes, Evelyn, do you have, Evelyn? Oh, don't have so far? Okay. No question so far for Marcia? All right, thank you so much. Good. Okay, very good progress, Marcia. Yeah, okay. Thank you. And the next, Michelle M, are you ready? You will be the next. Yo, okay, come on. You ready? Please give me your feedback because I need to know. Or Michelle M, are you ready? Okay, I think ini semuanya harus dapat giliran ya, because this is very important for you, and this is as for your evaluation, ya. Okay, Orlando done. Thank you so much Orlando and Marsha. The next, ini karena masih belum ada feedback from Michelle M. So I think I'm going to move to Giselle. Are you ready, Giselle?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Giselle. Time is yours on your camera. Okay.
Wait,
Okay.
Miss.
Yeah. Okay, Giselle, are you going to share your screen or not? Oh, Giselle juga share screen ya. Oke, baik. I
Bisa
will.
deh
Oh,
yang
tapi
screen.
sepertinya I cannot open it, you know. I cannot open the Canva. You can open your Canva too, no problem. You can,
Wait.
yeah. Okay, the slides that has been presented will be shared to our uh, WA group ya. Okay, so I share the slides of Orlando and Marsha. Okay. So later after Giselle, please be prepared Putra. Ya, please be prepared Putra after Giselle. Okay. Okay, Giselle, gimana? Sorry. Oh, I see. Oke, Giselle, sudahkah? The clock is ticking. Atau I go to Putra ya, I think. Putra, how about you? Giselle, I think, is preparing for the slide. The clock is ticking, so yes. Putra, if you want to share your slide, you may share it
Yes,
by
I don't
yourself.
use a slide. I
You
don't
don't use
use a
slide?
slide.
Okay, no
Apa,
problem.
Miss? Aku udah apa?
Oh yes, bagus, nggak apa-apa. Public speaking seperti yang tadi juga kan sometimes we don't need slides ya. Okay, the next presenter is Putra.
Good evening, Miss and friends. Today I want to present about how to use media social in the correct way. Before I present, let me ask, do you guys have media social, right?
Yes.
But do you guys know how to use media social in the correct way? Let me explain
Sometimes
6
we
things
forget.
to use media social in the correct way. First, be respectful. You must be respectful to each other, like sending a comment and make a good content. Second is protect privacy. We must protect our privacy and other people's privacy so everyone can get comfortable with it. Third is check a valid information. When we get information, we must check if the information is valid or not. So we didn't give a hoax information. Fourth is report harmful content. When we saw a harmful content, we must report it immediately because it can disturb everyone. Fifth is think before post. When we want to post a content, we must think twice before we post the content. We must see if the content is good or not for everyone to see. The last is six, limit time screen. When we use a media social, we must limit our time screen. If we don't, it can impact our health. That's all about my presentation. Is there any question?
Okay, anyone, please, questions? I have question for you, Putra. What kind of social media do you use so far?
I use YouTube and WhatsApp, Miss.
Oh, okay. Can you give us the example of benefit for teenager in using social media?
Like the positive or the negative, Miss.
Yeah, it can be both. Can be both.
If the positive benefit for teenager from using media social, like maybe can communicate and make friends to around the world, or maybe can learn from media social. The negative is maybe can there is a cyberbullying, Miss, with that using media social, Miss.
I see. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I would like to invite to other questions. Okay, Orlando, you have question, Orlando? Come on. Yeah, we still we are having 3 minutes question answer. Yeah, I already open
Fine.
and okay, Marsha. Yes, Marsha.
I have a question. Is there a negative impact of using social media for teenager?
Yes, they can be cyberbullying, or maybe there is can make harmful content there.
Thank you.
Okay, next. Okay, thank you, Marsha, for your question. Yeah, next, Michelle S. Yes, question, please, Michelle S.
Do you think too much screen time on social media can affect our health?
Yes, especially can impact our eye.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yes. One more question from Orlando. Yeah, Orlando, please. Okay, come on, Orlando.
Uh, I don't have, Miss.
You don't have? Hey, come on. Okay. Putra, do you think that playing mobile game on the phone, it is also a kind of social media?
I think no, Miss.
Oh, I see. So, those games are not including social media, yeah? Uh,
Well, that is if online games maybe, Miss, because it can communicate with other people around.
oh, I see. Can be classified, yeah? Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you, Putra, for your presentations. Such a good information that we can get how to use social media wisely in our daily life. Yeah. Okay. After Giselle, are you still working on it? Okay. Whoever wants to use Canva or slides, you can share it to me, and then later I will open it for you. Yeah. 2 minutes break. Join again. Next presenter will be Evelyn. Yeah. Okay.